Hello, I'm Alan Adcock with ASC Group. We are a cybersecurity and IT management firm based here in Atlanta, Georgia, and this show is Cyber Sentinel, where we talk about your business and security issues. On this episode, we're going to talk about the Improving Cybersecurity and Small Organizations Act. So this is a bill that is up in Congress right now. It's a bipartisan, bicameral initiative that's kind of geared towards trying to improve cybersecurity in smaller organizations. This has not gotten much press. There's not a lot of news on this thing, but it is up there going through the process on Capitol Hill. So some of the specifics here, just kind of go through it. There's 4 kind of points to this thing. Is going to direct the CISA, which is a government agency around cybersecurity, to issue guidance that documents and promotes evidence-based cybersecurity policies and controls for small businesses, nonprofits, and local governments. Okay, so they're going to promote more information on how to secure your business. It's going to require the CISA and the Small Business Administration and the Minority Business Development Agency to promote the cybersecurity guidance. So they're going to force those agencies to actually promote the materials that they produce. It's going to require the Secretary of Commerce to submit to Congress a report describing methods to incent the small organizations to improve their cybersecurity. This one we're going to unpack a little bit. And the 4th thing is it's going to require the SBA to report on the state of small business cybersecurity every 2 years. So there's a bunch of internal government stuff here. They're reporting to different agencies, trying to get agencies to do more in this. I'm a little worried about the whole Secretary of Commerce reporting to Congress on ways to incentivize small businesses and organizations to improve their cybersecurity. I'm not sure what they think they're going to do to incentivize you to improve your cybersecurity posture. It sounds like more regulation to me. Regulation can be good at some level. We just want to make sure that it doesn't go too far. And, as a small business owner myself, I don't want to have the federal government deciding that they need to help me on too many times, because that just seems to get in the way more times than not. So there's not a lot of teeth to this. It doesn't sound like, or specifics. It's basically an awareness kind of bill to try to push awareness of cybersecurity, and they're looking for ways that they can incentivize you as a small business owner to increase the cyber posture of your company. We will keep our eye on this and see how it tracks through, and then what the organizations and the government decide to do with this if it passes. Right now, this has got a lot of support. It's a pretty easy thing to get through, I think. Once the rest of the backlog in Congress kind of clears out a little bit, but we'll keep an eye on it. But the government is aware that we have some gaps in cybersecurity with small organizations. If you feel like your organization has a gap in cybersecurity, we would love to talk to you about that. We have programs and processes and policies and all that stuff that we can help you with to make sure that your organization doesn't become one of the statistics that's led to legislation like this. If you're interested in talking to us, reach out to us on social media at Cyber Sentinel, or you just call us here at ASC Group, and we'd be happy to talk to you. Thank you very much.